Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. 大家好，这里是你们的老师阿卜杜了。Many students have recent days asked me that they want to prepare for vocabulary of specifically for HSK exams, and they want some good material to prepare well for this exam. So what I have done is I want to share with you guys. I have just developed a system of vocabulary. Well, in this system I need your 5 minutes every day, and it will long like 15 days to 20 days. And if you every day give me 5 minutes to learn vocabulary, then I hope that within 20 days you will be well prepared for HSK level 1. In this system, what you have to do is every day you will learn 9 vocabulary words. Yes, only 9 words a day, which is not a big deal, I guess. If you successfully every day learn these 9 words, I am pretty sure that you will be able to attend the HSK level 1 exam. So I hope that this effort you guys will like very much. Please share this message with other friends as well, so that many people can get benefit from my efforts. Thank you very much for watching. So see you guys soon at Learn Chinese with Abdul. 再见。